Sweet potato onion gratin. I peeled the sweet potatoes, real fun task. I'm cutting them, don't worry about that one, you gotta offer one up. Take the ends off, try to get uniform size. We'll hit them with a little bit of salt, pepper, and olive oil and go to the grill. Started it with charcoal, got some nice oak on there. There we go. Okay, so those are all done. Let me grab a sheet tray. Slide them onto a sheet tray. We hit a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then we'll talk about what's gonna ride shotgun on this gratin dish. How about, exactly, some sweet onions, Vidalia onions to be exact. So grab a couple Vidalia. There we go. Some olive oil drizzle, fresh cracked black pepper, and some salt. Okay, we move this around. We'll go down with the onions here. Having that type of grill where you can take small onions or potatoes that would normally fall through the grates and where you can get that radiant heat and you can get some of that smoke flavor coming through just takes a regular gratin to the next level. So now we're gonna make the half and half mixture that we're gonna pour over this gratin. So we're gonna kind of partially cook the potatoes here. Not all the way, they're still gonna have to go in the oven. But what we're gonna do, we'll get a couple cups of half and half in there. You know what makes my mouth water also? Horseradish. Talk about bringing up the flavor. I don't know, 4 tablespoons in here. I don't think you could do too much in this. And there we go. Awesome. Now we'll get a little bit of thyme in there. They can just fall right in. They're gonna steep a little bit in this half and half. Okay. There, little S&P. This is sweet potatoes that have gone savory. The thyme in the half and half, the horseradish, just all those components, it's the perfect storm. Make sure that I'm doing okay here on my sweet potatoes. There we go. It's all right that they got a little char on them. That's what we're looking for. That adds to all that depth of flavor. And let's check those onions. Perfect where I want the onions. Harvest these off. I got some Vidalia onions, and I'm looking for that. I want that color. I don't want boring gratin that just kind of looks like it's just, you know, it's just been sitting there simmering in milk. Okay, we'll bring that off. So the gratin was 3 layers. I layered it with the Gruyere. Then you put the sweet potato, and then you put the caramelized onions, and then you repeat that 3 times. Perfect. And then you put some more of the cheese on top. This is where it all comes together, is we pour this right on top. Horseradish, thyme. You see that horseradish coming out right there? Kind of move that around a little bit. Get that horseradish spread out. That's just gonna soak right down into it. Fantastic. Now, we'll do that. Throw some foil on it. The wood-fired oven's rocking right around, I don't know, 350, maybe 400. 350 is what we're looking for, so we'll have to keep an eye on it. And we'll let this go for about 30 minutes. I put it on the sheet tray just in case we get a little bit of a bubble over. I don't want it burning the deck of the oven. It definitely changes the flavor of pizza. But if you have a regular conventional oven, 350, do the tray idea. It'll save you from having to do the cleanup. Okay, in we go. It's gonna be hot. But look at that, bubbling madness. Sweet potatoes done in this real savory style. No brown sugar marshmallows on this, are you kidding me? Oh, that is outrageous. Okay, so now what I need to do, slide it back in, let it brown on top a little bit. Does that look dynamite or what? We are talking sweet potato gratin with some caramelized Vidalia onions, but the kicker here, baby, is half and half with a little bit of fresh horseradish in there and some thyme. These are going to be, well, let me get a plate and show you how outrageous they're gonna be. Now I've got some beautiful tomahawk chops, some pork chops, pounding them out. Hit them with a little bit of panko breading, but look at this. Gruyere cheese, sweet potatoes, and the gratin over here, we got the Gruyere cheese, we got the sweet potatoes, we got the Vidalia onion. You understand what that meant? That's my kind of sweet potato.